I was sent this Prenatal Plus from Mama Select to share with you guys. I have been loving the ingredients in this supplement. What I love more than just the ingredients is how simple it is to take. It's just one capsule daily. And of course, check with your provider when you're adding a new supplement to your regimen. But I love that this pulls out all of the different allergens. So if you are a sensitive mama, or you may have some allergies, whether it's gluten or other things, this is going to be a great supplement to add. And personally for me, it doesn't cause any stomach or GI upset, which was a huge bonus. And like I said, it's easy to take because it's just one supplement. So if you're looking for a great prenatal, I highly recommend this one.